a remarkable find in Saginaw Township. This home offers you 2,148 square feet of living space with an additional 600 finished square per foot on the lower level. Showcasing 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, a large open living area with brick fireplace and built-in bookshelves, formal dining room, main floor laundry, updated kitchen featuring granite countertops and newer appliances, large center island, informal eating area, and French doors leading to a 16 by 12 sunroom. Relax in your primary suite with plenty of closet space and a walk-in shower with a glass enclosure. The finished lower level offers a large family room, an additional bedroom with a large walk-in closet, a full bathroom, and plenty of storage space. The outdoor area provides privacy with a fenced yard, patio,